All right, welcome back. So we are back again on new video reaction. Lasuba is celebrating that PM has been jailed. So I know many of you have seen this video, but this is her first video. You know, when the news broke out, I was waiting to see if she will, react on that. She waited and waited and waited until CS started her program because I just checked. I said, okay, let me today. I'm gonna key in to know what this woman will say. What she will do? Why? Because we all know her contribution to all this mess. All right. Even though she's pretending to that she don't know what she have done or what she's doing, but you'll be talking to children, not me. So because I know that everything that she's doing is something else. Now, she's here dancing, okay, dancing. That is her first reaction, okay. So this is her first reaction. She keep on dancing, and we all know what that means. Then, until some people started asking her, "Why are you dancing?" That everybody is angry. You know, today is a sad day and all that, and she have to. She said this.
Say, nobody rejoicing, only you. You see, all because no nana him understand. Nanya can wage in this world. You own a chineke de lo de gie, only a bosom by your neighbor. Oko on a chukulo kubie, only a bosom by your neighbor. Mother de Lumuruna, only an Apuruna. Ilie Murun Kai, Berupa Murun cause or the person. Ọnwụrụ nwa ụmụ aja na-ege ntị si nso ụwa ụnụ ma ụnụ kwesịrị ịma na ife amelelu ya eme ọnwụrụ ụnụ nwa na-ege ntị ụnụ ya ama na ife amelelu ya eme ụnụ kwesịrị ịma kama na amanọ nke unu si aghọta na a na-akọwa ọnwụ datị na unu fiilu ọdatị na ọbata obi ya apụta ma datị na ụnụ amaghị ife efu esi that guy ụnụ amaghị idea ife ọbata obi ife chere ọbata obi n'iru mgbe nna agwa ụnụ na ndị a niile wụ the same nna anyị makwa datị na o nwere ife wụ datị na wụ na group of people na-eme ihe inwe nsogbu. The whole group will fight for you. I want to understand. If you don't talk and be on land, and I may we would have to be 60 years. But then no one that in Anthony all of them want to jail him. All of them from A to Z.
Okay, that is her own explanation. She's trying to tell you that she's doing that. She's right. You understand? Like she knows what she's doing. But there's something she said here. If you have not, I don't know if you noticed that people should have known better that Obata Bay will not come out. So meaning that she's keep on saying what she's saying and causing all these nuisance, knowing for a fact that Obato Bay will not, that PM will not, be released. That PM will not be. They will not. They have to jail him. Now, he said that people that followed Obato Bay refused to join hands together to fight for him and all that. But last time I checked, you yourself are not doing anything. You remember after the declaration of Biafra, you supported USB. The woman, Lasuba, supported the USB. From there, she decamped to fall back. From fall back, she did not last there. She created make another push to fall deep. Then she fall deep. In that fall deep, now she have already decamped again. Now, instead of decamping, why don't you form your own group and you have the platform, you have followers? Because in this video, I'm going to make sure that we listen to a few of her callers. Those, I don't know. I don't know how to explain these people to you for you to understand because many of them are worst. In fact, I don't know how they managed to escape village here. I don't know. They are not. These are people that don't. That they are not. That these people are not even supposed to. You know, they're not. Some of them behave as if they have not. Even, they don't even know where Onitsha is. Like they don't know where Oka is. They don't know where Owerri is. Like city. All these cities in our place. They have these are just typical village people that can't reason. They don't understand anything. You just you will hear them today because normally I don't share some of her colors, but today being the day that PM, Finland did their shenanigan and all that, we have to expand this kind of awareness to for you to know the contribution and mindset of some people with their idiocy. And just for a while, let me just show you this. If you pay attention here, okay, if you come here, for example, take a look at this, comment here. This is people that follow the Dan Dojo. Look at what somebody said here. Read this message yourself. Okay, this is her comment, you not from me. He said we should stand strong, my genuine Biafrans. Let's avoid let okay let avoiding grandma Lasuba. He said let's avoid supporting Kenena TV, Kai TV, and Humble Lizard. I'm reading the message. Humble Lizard and co. Please let's join hands together, push forward, no going back. Now, this is the kind of people that follow this woman. Okay, this is the kind of people that follow her. But we are not here for this. I just want you to know because you are not anybody's supporter. You support Adando yet. Some of them actually believe they have a huge number of followers. The question is why don't you now lead since you can manage it, you can control this and all that. Now pay attention.
Samples now fair my social media. Tell you picture you make anything na social media. How many times go Belakwa? Did they listen to him? Mandu APM Hogereyente. DPM Hogereyente. Mandu deputy nonsense na deputy rubbish. Hogereyente. Everybody put their bar. Now see when the PM comes out. Now PM will say PM will not say PM everywhere. Nada. When Ungoza Bugola from the commander-in-chief of terrorists. Mere meeting, put their bar. Soon Ungoza la beze mere meeting. And in a base seal again, a cabinet here. That in the may PM. Who nature at 9 minutes over to pay after. Why was it the West Day PM? Unaman I see go detail.
So you just had you just had her telling you the same thing that I complained yesterday. Stay on this issue of terrorism. She's still saying the same thing. Even in the midst of this breaking news, this woman is still calling their friends a terrorist. And now, like I told you yesterday, that she have changed. She's no longer calling only Ngozo Rabeze a terrorist. Now all the entire cabinet, and it will get to anybody supporting cabinet, supporting USBO. She will still call all of you. You understand? That is the way the whole thing is going. Because she started with one person and nobody challenged, nobody said anything. She's moving speedily. And she said that nobody want to fight for her Obatobe. That Obatobe says, remove my name on social media. But you that Obatobe said this to, have you stopped using Obatobe? The answer is no. Calling Obatobe deputy publicly and even using English language to do that, what is your intention? If not to jail him, and you are here trying to hide and pretend that it's not your fault, Is already like you like seriously, and you see people those farmers in America will come out and begin to oh that Rama, thank you ezigbo nne, thank you ezigbo nne. Ha na ike guru no. Anyway, here huh?
Ozi kwuru mbọsị a were bịa live ka unu gee ntị. Ama m ihe nji wepụta that program ka unu gee ntị.
Blackmailer is a blackmailer. So she, when I am with the program, I'm not here for that nonsense. I just want people to know this woman response and her reaction towards this breaking news. And ask yourself, why is it that I'm just being real. Let me be honest to you. When I check and check and check and see if she have said anything, she did not come live for a very long time. Today, only one live. My mind was telling me that somebody somewhere is telling her what because she's following the footsteps like they gave her script. So they were telling her what to do and how to carry herself out today and all that. You understand? That is my own instinct, not not a classified any information, please.
Ọbata obi I'm going
Now,
to listen because I want to more.
listen to this idiot how she mocked Obatobie, blaming Obatobie that Obatobie is suffering now because Obatobie refused to listen to her because she's not educated. Hear that.
Ejiro m ịga ndị jọrọ m school. Now, n'ezie n'anya. I cry.
Ejire gonna go to
Because
school.
no name understand.
And when you understand.
Get one thing. The way I put on the way Bob told you all. Somebody knows that group was speaking because everyone will talk in a big group and will the bad ones and the good ones inside. The genuine I send it for him. Say about Toby, no. No. When is the nanya? Okay, if we only talk on of whom with you be more or if you talk, I can't ask Nana. My joy would that not the whiter than snow. My joy would that not cry. Our people have it half of an attack. But the Obato be
Itubo Eginash. Cha! Itubo Eginash. Really? Eat the whiter and water than snow. Hey, okay. You actually believe that wearing white clothes means that you are okay. Is that why you put to this one? This
listen to me. Or prefer the vultures more than mother.
blaming Obato. You don't prefer a fortune than a man gets.
Now Ngoja Abez is a prime minister. I'm not Jigawa prime minister, called Biafra prime minister, but I can assure them. How many equation I with the Biafra before 6 years? Now okay, you are
Now I'm mocking Biafrans that of course need to do with the Biafra. That would think I come from make sure with before that 6 years. You see, my anger now is not actually is not actually on her, but on those farmers in America. You know, when I say I'm not talking about European farmers, American farmers. I'm talking about farmers in village. Ndị a na-ebu ọgụ na-eji cutlass arụ ọrụ. Not to the na-eji tractor, no. Because I'm na-ekwu farmer, some of them will be happy that they, oh, you know, I'm a farmer, I have a... No, I'm talking about because the way you guys reasons, you know, is shocking. So primitive. You hear some even the anyway, let me see if I will locate that woman because this woman video is too long. Just pay
the
attention.
president you want. You know you are a president. You have enough time, 6 years. If
What is your role? What is your what is your job, Lasuba? Your own is to attack this one, attack the other one. What can you offer?
fight where for what? And my fight is going on. Are you going to be there? I'm but I fight you okay. And my fight going on.
Look at this fool.
No.
What are you
No,
doing?
no more Biafra.
Huh?
We have to go back to one Nigeria. If you don't want, if you I would open go water, the water here. Because all these people, nobody want to get a kuku Biafra, they have sold in Biafra and they go. Hey, gap on.
In case if you did not understand what she's trying to say, do here, she's trying to condition your mind to win souls for her messengers. Like people, her boss, people that are sending her, the people that she's doing her job. When last did you hear that Adad Oranjo is at work? Sometimes you broadcast from work. When last did you hear that? I don't think she's still taking care of her children. I doubt. But let's go because I was told that she's not because I was thinking that she's a teacher teaching in French. No, it is what she her job is when children are having a break time to make sure that those children did not while playing around that they do not enjoy themselves. That's her job taking care of school children when they're on their lunchtime or lunch break or something like that. She just she's just there monitoring them while they play around and all that. That's her job. Listen,
Bose wepụtagoro unu ndị jigawa. Instead, because all of them,
this issue of Jigawa, we are going to make another video on that. So I think I need to make another video on this issue of Jigawa thing because I don't blame her on that one. That because somehow you have to be reasonable to understand what that video is all about. All right, Christians in the north relied on Christians in the east. I have told us during the time of 4 p.m. when the US was tearing everywhere apart and all that. There are someone that called in one of the program and said that he wished that Biafran is not going there. He wished that the Biafrans, remain in Nigeria. That he understands the reason why people are talking about Biafrans are looking for a way to break out and all that, but that is not going to favor them. A guy from Plateau State, from Jos, okay, because according to him, he's afraid that if Biafran go, that Christians will have nothing to offer anymore. Little did he know that even now the Biafrans are still are still with Nigeria. That is not so. Nothing as most of them don't don't care anymore. They are doing what they're doing without wasting any much time.
ezi wepụtara unu ndị Biafra, ngozi wepụtara unu jigawa. Kedu ihe kpatara o ji mie?
Forget
Ngozi
about this one. Let's move to another thing. Now she's analyzing a video of Joy Eurobi. All right, that's what they're doing. I'm trying to jump that part, not because of any other thing. It's what listen to, but because of time, we are managing the minutes of this video. So let's move to when Sia called her. Okay, then hear what Sia said. Pay attention.
chee na ụmụnne m biko ọ dị ka o nwere ife onye bụ chi chọpụtara ọ chọrọ ikwu. Onye bụ chi gaa n'elu ụmụ ajara na-ege m ntị.
That is Sia.
I'm live on the yes. Therefore, I want to correct something. I'm not you know the answer. Information how we got in line that nobody wants to read it. Therefore, I go. Can there any Biafra, no single information that we got in line? And I have my facts and figures. The guy in charge of compiling this information told me, in particular, maka nna like ihe ọbụla e kwuru, okwu onye ya dịrị n'ọdụ. The guy told me, in particular, that he never got a man na ya trust this very man, the why. There's some information I say compile on into a certain land. Now, I have a man after that 6 years. Na information now, you supply your and now you are compile the information. You supply your information. For those you never have information you send that they will not open it. Okay. Then you call him again and tell him. They will not open it. Because he in charge of that information, and I think how will there are Finland. I'm the guy now, but the guy now, Papa, and ask him because any proof all na me with him. You know what I mean with them when they send to you. I'm a no. Thank you. Because some of the information in there, number one, I see an Finland to do they compile with it, they compile it, tell them that these very people will not even open it.
So what type of nonsense are they telling me, tell us? Yeah, this very freedom I got to not be careful, but I, the never church will be have gone a long way. But then they carry on, Jerry. It is well.
Don't much.
Okay, that is the message. This one is for CRC, their own group. But the thing is that one thing what I don't understand about this set of people is that when they join any group, they will keep on trying to pin this group down to do what they want. Since they know how to do these things, why can't they just step up and do it better? They have the platform, they have the followers. What exactly is going on? Anyway, how can you be? Just imagine that a student that will have that have been in several classes. You know what I mean? Like class one, class like in let's say grade one. In your grade one, you have like let me use Nigerian system. When we were in primary school and secondary school like that, you have A class, B class, okay, C class, D class, E class, as case may be. Then a teacher teaching student in A complained about one student. The principal moved that student to class B. The same teacher, another the teacher in class B, another teacher complained the same thing, the same issue with about that person, one student. They moved it to class C. The same thing happened. They keep on moving that. So is it the fault of the teacher or the fault of the student? I'm just asking. Because these people have been in several group, USB, fall back, fall deep, now they are now stranded. The question is, why don't you open your own and show how to lead? But after all, army is with you because from what you are told from Brethren Unite, that army is not with Ogenkere. It's not, of course, it's not with his USB. They are only that they are very, very vocal in that one. In that one, so army is with you guys because you guys are the one telling people to do this and do that for army. Ordinary bring your account, they go accusing them again or sign. I don't really get it. In fact, I'm gonna jump all this in. Let's locate that issue. That's some you hear some people. I don't give what they say account now. Now choose use any media because in this her video, in this her video she actually rubbished Joy Yorubi, which this person you are seeing here that is very dark is Joy Yorubi, delivering, making, addressing Biafrans based on the breaking news from CRC, angle from their own side, because all of them have seen that US, streamed live to address the issue, to address Biafrans and make her comment and everything. All of them jumped out and begin to address him, even Ogenkere, but I don't have time for Ogenkere because Ogenkere is now trying to run a marathon speech, which I don't know what I don't. Maybe she drink shekpa before she, because maybe he drink shekpa before he broadcast this day because he's now making videos of 20, 30 minutes almost and repeating himself and all that, which is very quite funny. But we are not here for that because Ogenkere own is just different, just like people are tired of hearing from his garbage. Just like why is Ocha. Although I want to confirm let me just make this confession to many of us. When I look at some people, because these days, yesterday and this day, today, I paid attention to why is such a little bit like the time I have not been checking on her like that before. Why they do like today's own is very very clear because of the situation at hand. Let me know her response and her body language and everything. But you can see. But I noticed that 85% of Biafrans are actually turning on to her platform. I know they go there to insult her, but if you don't like what she's saying, why are you guys head bended then? Because it doesn't make any sense to me. You are literally promoting her and telling her that she ride on. The number of people calling her from America goes to show that our people are not actually ready, to be honest with you. As I am now Airport, I will find it difficult to lead any group now, like that I even to join agitation that I'm agitating or freedom fighter. No, because I can't. The kind of mind that I have, I cannot be doing something good, sacrificing something, and you are busy, you know, making some. I cannot pretend that you don't value what I'm doing. No, there's nothing to encourage me to do that. I'm not wired for that place. But I give credit to those that are doing it. It's not easy. Now, let me see if we can move forward. Let me try my best to locate that part where people started coming here because I have dropped many things here. Maybe if I have time, we may bring that part where she talked and rubbish CRC and all that. She actually even said she narrated a story about what happened between them and CRC, why they break out. And so this video contains a lot, but we cannot bring everything in that. We can only just pick the part that they want us to listen to. So let's look for the part where people called her and have people demand and come from her. She did not even say any better name. She just kept quiet because her job is to commit nuisance, not to plan, not to lead or to give you any solution, but to point out at different problems that she herself have created. But before we move forward, let's hear how she called
and reaction
people terrorists
are
again.
equal and opposite.
This day, listen.
Number 6, because none of those things Mr. Ekpa agitated against could be allowed to occur or happen in Finland or any European country. What is the morality of conducting Mr. Ekpa's trial in Finland to the extent of finding him guilty? Finland must not and should not be seen as supporting Nigeria's effort to erase indigenous population, which is what this trial would achieve with a verdict against our Prime Minister. Given the circumstances of Mr. Ekpa's involvement in the agitation for freedom for Biafran people, one can only but admire him. Biafrans definitely love him,
Just pay attention,
and
forget
the
about
world will eventually
anything. I
come
want
to
her
love him.
to,
And soon after the independence of Biafra from Nigeria,
if I move it forward, I may
history
jump
is
that
on
part
our
where she
side.
talked about,
And so
where she called
is the
everybody
Almighty
terrorists
God,
again.
who
Making it two
hears the
times,
cries of
the
the
one I
oppressed.
go, I can pick.
Jairabi, Chukwu
That,
Gbogo Ọkụ. Gbogo na God go ọkụ. Because mụnwa mana God ị na-akpa nwụrụ Chukwu okike abịa. Ebe unu na-akpọ God ndị ọjọọ, unu ji deceive ndị mmadụ. Chọọ ire obi. Let me tell you something. Unu anyị ebinye nwụzi ebe ahụ unu na-agụ. O nwere egwu ndị be anyị na-agụ na-asị ala dala dara ọ dago jọ ire obi ala dara ada ọ dazazana jọ ire obi o
this is
ala
what she's
dara
good at,
ada
nothing more.
ọ dago patapata
Nothing
ebe
more.
a ni orakwuru si wee daa unu dara ka ala ọkwa ha ala nke ka nwere mkpụrụ ọnwụkwa nke nwere wet nwere nke na-ada ka mgbu akwụkwọ ichi ite ọ na-ahụ na ụna ka o si eme ọala ibe ya na-akpọ ala eji ama ọla onye a na-akpọ m ibe ama akpọ m dị rizin iji akpọ m ama akpọ m rizin na na-ege ntị. Let us turn this moment of o nwere onye n'ime unu na-apụ kpọrọ otu mkpụrụ because ibe ngozi
No,
nke ngozi kwuru
I
n'ime
think I have. Let me take it back a little bit.
o nwere onye n'ime
No,
all of you
no.
louder and hold firmer to the dream of a free Chineke bụ ọgọ ọnụ ọgaja ọwụrụ m ihe mwute na nkwu with you taller with who betrayers taller with his betrayers taller with his saboteurs
Lasuba.
taller with the criminals all of you
Why is it a criminal?
wepụ onye minus ebe dori ngozi ọla bụ gwọrọ Fulani ka ndị ori jọyi ọla bụ gwọrọ Fulani jọyi robi Fulani ka ndị ori gba mmadụ abụ Fulani ka ndị ori adaonowo Fulani ka ndị ori oge nkele Fulani kọmanda unu
Inania.
All of you.
Inania. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I allow the video so that you will hear the caller. Like I told you, one of the caller supporting her for dancing around and all that. So everything is here. But before then, please let me encourage you to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you have not. This is our own way of bringing to you the madness of Lazuba, a woman from South, Sudan. I don't even know if whether it's from South or North Sudan, calling people names, whereas she is the one that need to explain to people where she come from, and she have not, since she know how to defend herself and everything. Why is it that she have not answered this question? Are you a Sudanese woman or not? Anyway, let me open the mic so you open the volume so you can hear.
It's
Listen.
time for us to stand and show these Western powers that we are.
No.
Tiri someone CCA in our way we need it indicated.
Let's hear. This is one of the caller supporting her for dancing.
Ịma na ịma ahụ chi gbasa Biafra ji dị m n'obi mana ndị a mee na ike agwụgo mmadụ danya obi m ajụọ n'oyi onweghị okwu bụ maha eche na digest mgbe je na mmụọ na-achọ
Aga na mmụọ.
na-achọ onye adakwara okwu a ana America bịa me witness I came up with na onye ukwu a because of imi tụrụ bụ agba mbụ otu n'ogbe abụọ wee sị na onye na-agwa okwu abụ rapajere mana ịchọghị ịkpọ ya fadata emechọ dịka na that program inwe call ọ dịka ashọn gị shot gị up iwe ị na-aba mba sị onye akpọzikwara gị o tee n'ịchọrọ ikwu ihe na-aga na kabinet ya abụọ bụrụ na e nyere gị efe ihe anyị erebe oru taa mmadụ bụ enwe the god gasịrị na
Okay, what?
ị na-agba egwu na-etiri someone CCA ị na-agba egwu na ịdị vindicated adị m vindicated ị na-agba egwu na ịdị vindicated for ihe niile ikwuru bịa na mmezu na onye jere gị ntị because na iwewe certificate diploma ịbụ honorable ịbụ
When you hear this vindication, it's not about vindicated from COS or USB or Genkere or Imam Madab. No. Vindicated that he told PM that there's a saboteur in his cabinet and PM will shun her. And this DOS woman calling her now, does she sound like somebody who is actually living in Onitsha or maybe in Oka, in Independence Layout, or maybe in Aba? No. From judging from her voice, you can tell that she's too local, very, very local woman. Ya nọ ọnọkwa na America mana ya bara na mmụọ ga US. Ndị na abroad na-agba afa na. I'm not against any traditionalists that are doing that, but my own is that there's limit. Imagine you nọ na abroad na-agba afa, obere ife gba afa ga US. Imagine your bone ịpụtara n'ebe ewe eletrik atọ maybe dị ka na village na-ebu mkpanaka. Imagine the food dog ndị aga na-agwụ. Anyway, listen to her again.
type of shameless people. May heaven and earth destroy all of them.
Oh, if you have madebe. This is what they know about. Whom to destroy, how to eradicate, nothing serious, no positivity, nothing whatsoever. Let me look for another because there are too many to be honest with you. I honestly would listen to some of these people. You can agree with me that a lot of idiotic people. I'm not the leader. I don't know, but our people are very, very funny. To be honest with you, just watch. Now, listen to this one, demanding that this woman, Lasuba, Sia, different unites should come together and plan and bring account for them to be sending money for men on ground. I'm not against it. I'm not here telling you that you don't do. The reason why I'm actually writing on this is for you to know, see how this woman dodge it. She refused to accept. She refused to, instruct them on how to prove. Since giving money to Imam Badab is the problem, giving money to Ogeke is the problem, giving to USB is the problem. Only you guys have the eyes to see this problem. Now, and have a contact of men on ground. So, okay, come and save this money. We're gonna give it to you so that you give it to men on ground. She don't. She also na give finalizer. Okay, nah, give finalizer. Oh, when the first one culture okay good there. Nah, give finalizer. They get it. Just watch this. I hope the volume will be loud enough because some of them they don't know how to, increase their voice.
Thank you very much.
So again, the yeah, because of the best and do here. Na Chineke na-emela ka mara ebe ha mara ndị ha marakwa n'ebe ha na-aga. So ịbịa ka ịkara obi atala mba nnọọ jisie ike ndị nwaanyị ga-agba gị ume nnọọ jisie atọ nke ịda mba m ọjọọ ga a na-awara ezi mekwara anyị ama m na this journey na ọ dịghị ezi tara a sị na ndị Igbo tiri sị na mgbe ọ na-echi ike ka ọ na-ebi na nye na-ekwu
ana m ege gị ntị
mgbe ọ na-echi ike ka ọ na-ebi a sị na mberede ka eji amara dike.
Okay, go straight to the point. Don't waste my time. The woman you were talking about, you can see she's acting as if she's angry. Not at all.
I know I'm a motivation to the gang.
More. More.
I'm a motivation to so I'm trying to before I name and I want to get all not prophecy and I'm as a prophecy. No encouragement, I will have as encouragement. One no to lateral gazelle or juice. Whoever the hand there, it be now, not then now, for the first time. Now, when you're saying, no, go on, now, only juice, and the now, and then for a hand, I got for now until the appointed time.
So no, this trick and I got people that they want to lead them and all that. Duma don't even raise her eyes to look at anything. She just squeeze her face, meaning in her mind, Koron Shin na costume na popo. If I can believe him. She's not ready to lead you, even to provide account. No, she don't want. Pay attention.
Adalamba. Because I'm man of that guy. And Ilan again so many people are wall because of this. The mother, they give Mola up. The mother walk along, name of land, and politicians. So many people. I got to home, I believe, because of this strong. And now, for the appointed time. I don't get them, but more getting here for that. Ya ọ dị ka enwere nwoke kpọpụrụ ụgbọ abụọ ọ sị gị ekwubela okwu
onye bidoro program gbawa egwu gbachacha nne ego ka mmadụ ga-akpọ na fon na-agwa ya dakwa na mba some ụmụ nwoke be anyị ike guru unu and honestly very shameless people. Can you imagine a woman that started her program dancing proudly, even trying stand up or justifying that her dance and everything, telling that she knew that this will happen and all that. Now we are the number. Simply means that you guys are celebrating everything. Anyway, listen.
Just be silent for now until you know more more you know I'm not going.
Finalize and then I call that way. Oh, Umajan. This Oko come up that no one I want my Lasuba again and you. Careful can never say it.
back into the journey. The journey begin.
The journey in a with who? Onye gị na na-eje the journey.
Okay, with you.
Na-ekwu na Biafra na ugbu a nọ ka obi ka o siri ike na ọ na-ekwu so ọwụ ihe ga-eme mmadụ abịa gawa mbụ ebe m na-aga ọtebe mụa na-aga
Ocean gear. Okoko. Oya ọzọ ebiko.
Abịa gị bụ abịa ugbu a na onye ọ na-ada mba otu o si nọrọ ugbu a ọ ga-ediscourage so many people and ịhụnanụ our angels nọ n'ime ọhịa oge itula affect them oge na affect and so many of them nọ n'ime ọhịa na ụlọ ha agbachala ya enwe ụlọ ebe obi otu maka mụ na gị si nwere ụlọ na-enwe ụlọ ha nwere onwe ha enwe ụlọ ha enweghị ụlọ enwe ụlọ so ọ ga-awụ ihe nke so
Thank you very much.
So ebe karo ya ọzọ na-abịa eze na ndị otu ya ma onye n'aha Chineke na-emela ka mara ebe ha mara ndị ha marakwa n'ebe ha na-aga so ebe gị karo bịa atala mba nnọọ jisi ike ndị nwanyị ga-agbago ome nnọọ ochie.
The guy don't even know that Biafra Unite that he called told people in one of his broadcasts, I have the clip, that men on ground, according to him, commanders are going to Imo State to go and take amnesty. He said it, not me, but maybe one of these days I will play that video, that audio. But that's the truth for another day. Just pay attention. Now listen to this one. Pay attention.
Hello.
Listen.
Hello, Ada.
Control your account ebe na.
Ana m akpọga m before na program gị gwa gị this movement bụ and he represent. Ọmụma gwara gị one time sị gị na m watchịrị the declaration emere otu isi kwuru made declaration and that you were always there and you are a God one in this struggle. Before my blogging now, I'm going to watch this program but make sure I'm off there from the platform. My blogging direct, Now I'm trying to take your time. Go on. You go now and the news. It take over the emergency funding of the struggle for now.
Had already. Oh yeah.
As I say, from who committed or overturned man or government, no government. And there's no problem with government, no hand uses we are use. No question we may establish contact with men on ground and make sure I am going to harvest the ego from Biafras. They say the men on ground. They only can save for aligning. Anything they man announce or put from to and actually can say each to come back. And when I need it, una atọ mee meeting nọ na WhatsApp group mee meeting ka actually go to the Biafrans account and I draw 100% remittance and to make sure that the whole thing
just watch her body language.
And now from the government and then one emergency kind of situation where 3 people can stand or 1 person out of 3 can stand and do certain things. Yeah, na Biafra job be ag ego from one in the government in the ego this now will
Can you send you? Can you say the man refugees na? My tonton.
Just one other time, maybe sometimes I said the sick joke and my half. I didn't want it ready, but only a bag of ego or you walk with you.
Without can't get that, Lasuba without can't be.
And the images, one of my brother had about me. We don't want government again. We don't want government again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Don't know.
Ekutoku Akata about these people in leading. They always, if now, no more how to talk, right? oya wale kawa. Go. Check it account. You get chef to again and come. Anyway, my people, thank you so much. The video is too long, and please make sure you tell me what you think about it. God bless you. This bill. Alo and Akanko. Please let me know what you think about it on comment section. I will can't wait to read it from you. God bless you and bye bye for now.